Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zari McQueen, and today's video is going to be my unboxing slash review slash styling slash all of that about this full lace wig that I have on now. This full lace wig is courtesy of Irresistible Me. They are a hair company that I know that I definitely mentioned them on my channel before. They have basically clip-ins, hair extensions, wigs, pieces, bangs, ponytails, everything. They basically offer everything. They even offer styling tools as well. So yeah, check them out. And yes, I've been working for Irresistible Me for like a while now, ever since I basically started my YouTube channel. Either it was clip-ins I featured or styling products, but basically this company overall, I would say me and them, we got a connection. And I really do like this brand, not only because, you know, I've worked with them a lot, but they are really just of quality. Okay, so yeah, I don't want to drag it on too much, but basically let me give you the specs about my unit now. This is a full lace wig. It has 3 combs right here, one at the front, and an adjustable strap. I did adjust the adjustable strap to make it tighter, but without doing that, it was pretty snug. So, and my wig head that I use is 23, I think either inches or centimeters, not sure, but I will leave it down below, so that could probably be a reference. You'll know what size my head is, so you could kind of, you know, go off of that. So yeah, I just adjust the adjustable strap to make it snugger. I did not glue this wig down, and I did add an elastic band inside, but I don't really think it helped a lot. I think I have to move it where it's at, but yeah. So yeah, I did not glue it down. I did use Got to Be glue, and I do have other videos showing me, you know, attaching my wigs without glue and, you know, things like that. So if you want to get more information, definitely go and refer to those. And yeah, I have this wig in the length of 20 inches, maybe 22 now that I pull it down, but definitely between 20 or 22. The exact measurements will be down below, I promise. But yeah, this is the color 1B, and I do not have it in the 150 density. I have it in the lightest density, which is 100%. And when you check their website, they give you different examples of what the densities look like, and they give you a description. So I think that's really helpful, because I don't know, if you're a new wig wearer, you might not necessarily know what 150 density is, or what 130 is, or what 100 is. So they definitely give you like a guide so that you will not be lost. And I have it in the lightest density because I wanted this wig to look the most natural. I feel like all my wigs, like, they don't look wiggy, but they're not necessarily something that, I don't know, they don't look as like perfectly natural as ever, to me, I think, anyway. So I decided that this will be the perfect one to get in that natural density, that natural color, just so that if I do feel like, you know, wearing it on a daily basis, that it will definitely give that natural look. And honestly, I'm feeling it. Love the color and everything. So with the density being on the lighter side, if I was to straighten out this hair, it might not be as thick as you're used to, but it's definitely not on the thinner side. This is a very natural density. So yeah, that's the 100% density, and I will leave all of this down below so that you're not confused. Okay. So yeah, you guys, I really do like this hair. It's super, like, I have no, okay, maybe a couple of inches of shedding, but that's about it. I did bleach the knots on this wig, as well as I did pluck the hairline and the side part. So yeah, that's how everything is looking after the knots have been bleached and how the hairline has been plucked and everything. But when I did receive this wig, it was pre-plucked, so you know, that really helped a lot. And I think that with units and frontals and stuff like that that come pre-plucked, it definitely helps. Not gonna lie, pre-plucked is the way to go, because it gives you help, gives you a guideline, gives you just like, and it kind of makes it easier too, because nobody honestly wants to be sitting down for hours upon hours plucking a hairline. If I'm gonna pay the luxury of a weave, then I might as well pay them too to, you know, have it come looking a little more natural. Of course, you know, they do pluck it like for standard, so they're not gonna put all of the swoops and the baby hairs in it, but with them pre-plucking it, it makes all of that much easier, as you're gonna see. So yeah, I really didn't have to do too much, for the simple fact that it did come pre-plucked. So yeah, that's definitely a plus when you are shopping for wigs. Definitely look for pre-plucked, and definitely head over to Irresistible Me, because they definitely have that for you. So yeah, I really do like this hair. It's soft. I used my flat iron to get these curls, and it did not give me any kind of problems. Tangling is not an issue. Shedding, like I mentioned, couple strands here and there, but yeah, I did pluck this hair. I did bleach the knots, and yeah, this is a full lace wig, as I've mentioned, so I could pull it up and put it in a ponytail, but I feel like I might have to go in the back and tweak it a little bit just so that it looks as natural, because remember, with this wig, that's the look I'm going for. So yeah, before I pull it up, I'll definitely have to probably tweak it in the back, but that is no issue because yeah, we'll get it done. So yeah, everybody, this is the hair. I hope you're feeling it. This is the wig. So soft. I love it. I definitely recommend it. So yeah, you guys, be sure to check my description box for additional details, links, and discount codes, because y'all know I got y'all with the discounts all the time. So yeah, and if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. Any more questions, be sure to comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Alright, so here's how I received my unit. It came in their classic Irresistible Me black packaging. They did go ahead and include 2 wig caps, and then they also gave me an extra clip and comb and extra thread, which is really cool just in case I needed to go in and make any adjustments to really make this wig for me. But I didn't have to do that, but just in case you need to, they have you covered. I just want you guys to keep in mind that I did go ahead and remove the clips and the combs that they had in the front. I did keep the one that was in the back, but the ones in the front I did take out. So if you know, end up having to do that, don't even worry about it. It was super easy fix, and you can always throw them back in if you need to. So that's cool too. And then I'm going to show you guys the hairline. As you can see, it is definitely pre-plucked. It is not thick and bulky like other companies, you know, would send your wig. So I really like that. Pre-plucked hairlines just mean that the process of customizing and getting it ready to wear will be so much easier. So I did really appreciate that. And yep, there's a comb in the back as well as a adjustable strap that I did adjust, and I did use that. And honestly, the adjustable strap is really all I needed to keep my wig on and keep it secure. So yeah, these in the front that I'm showing you, I did take out. The ones on the side I did leave in, and in the back, but just know in the front I took them out.